How to download and install Ghost Spectre Windows 11. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Ghost Spectre Windows 11 and how you're going to be downloading it for yourself. It's going to be a full guide, so please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get the full gist of how we're going to be doing this. So, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is obviously you're going to be coming over to your browser. So first we need the Ghost Spectre image, and the only way to get a Ghost Spectre image is to go over to YouTube. Okay, so we're going to go over to YouTube and we're going to go to their YouTube page, the Ghost Spectre YouTube page that they have. Now the reason for this is because, as I told you, that is the only place that you're going to find their Ghost Spectre image. So we're going to go ahead and write in Ghost Spectre. And once we go ahead and write that in, this is Ghost Spectre right here. It'll also be nice if, you could see something that has some Ghost Spectre specifications in it. So let's say I'm going to go over to the Ghost Spectre YouTube channel. And here you can see you have benchmarks and everything. So you can choose, one Windows 11 video. There's tons and tons of these different videos over here. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose a Windows 11 moment video over here. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing a Windows 10 video. Okay. So let's go ahead and choose Windows 10. Now, once we do that, what happens over here is let's pause the videos and everything, and always do make sure to go in the descriptions. Now, in the descriptions, you will see all the links that will take you to the latest, links. So, for example, I want the Windows 10 version, right? So here's the latest standalone updates and everything. So I'm going to go with this one over here, which takes us to the toolbox. Now, once I click on that link, as you can see, it loads in and brings us over here. So this is Ghost Spectre's very own page where it's going to give me the whole criteria. And what you can do is you can actually see the different features and the specs that it has brought in the latest versions. So to get it for yourself, you're simply going to click on Get here. And from here, it's going to take you to Ghost Clouds. Now, once you're in Ghost Clouds, it's going to bring you right here. So now we are on the Ghost Clouds or the Ghost Spectre's website. And over here, down, you can see you have all these different frameworks and everything. So to download, you can find different download folders over here. There's different updates, the update 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So obviously go with the latest one. And once you download the latest one, it's going to take you to Ghost Cloud's very own download page. So over here, you can see the file size 4 GB, etc. And, the zip password, do make sure to get them at the very own Ghost Spectre page. And, they give you these different links for the boots and everything. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on download. And what happens in that case is I'm going to be taken to a Google Docs link. Now, in this Google Docs link, it's going to give me these different links over here. Now, this is where most people get confused. So what are they supposed to do over here? So, you can find all these different links over here, this Pixel link, Kiwi link, Terabox link. So you can go ahead and apply those links for yourself. But what we want in our case is the bootable link, which is the uncompressed Wim version. So what you can do is choose one of these links that you find in front of yourself. So let's say I'm going to go over to this link right over here. Okay. And once you go over to this link, as you can see, it redirects you to the main download page. And once you're over here, as you can see, the download is ready for you. So simply click on download for yourself right over here. And in some cases, it's going to say Pixel Drain servers are under too much stress currently. Go ahead and respond to their code. Just go ahead and let them know the options they ask of you. And once you've gone ahead and selected the options, what happens in that case is it's going to be letting you go ahead with the verification, and the download should alternatively start. And there we are. So now my download is up and running, and you know, I'm not saying this is the safest way to download it on a different website, but trust me, I have never seen any issues run with it. So it shouldn't be too big of a recurring issue for you. So once you've added it to your download, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to wait for it to install on your PCs. And it shouldn't take a lot of time. It's a small file for 4 gigabytes, and it should be done in quite some time. So once that is done, now let me tell you one other component that you're going to be needing. So you're going to need Rufus. Now, you're probably wondering, why do we need Rufus? So we need Rufus because the download file that we get is a bootable file. So Rufus creates a bootable USB drive, and it allows your download to happen in the easiest and simplest way. And much specifically, it helps you go ahead and download and boot ISO files easily. So you can use different tools for this. Obviously, you don't have to use Rufus specifically. There's different tools like Daemon tools and everything for the ISO bootables, but I prefer Rufus for myself specifically, and Rufus just works much better. So go ahead and download the Rufus legacy version from here. It's quite a small file and should be done in a second. And once you download Rufus, what you're going to do from there is you're obviously going to choose the ISO image that they provide you and just boot up the ISO file. And from there on out, they're going to give you a proper installation file that you're going to set up into your PCs. And once you do that, obviously from there on out, what's going to happen is you're going to get Ghost Spectre for your Windows. Now, Ghost Spectre, as we all know, is quite the application for your PCs, because not only does it optimize your PC, but the benchmarks you get on your PC are incredible. You can find these different benchmark results on their YouTube page as well, where they're gonna, run the benchmarks, and you can see the proper benchmarks that it provides you, which is quite incredible. And you can see your specific version benchmarking over here as well. You can see the different FPS that you're going to be provided with, and you can see how incredible it actually works. So, if I were to go over the installation steps again, all you're going to do, go over to their YouTube, choose a video, go to the links of the video, open up the link. It's going to bring you here. Click on Get Here. It's going to take you to Ghost Clouds, and in Ghost Clouds, just scroll down, choose the latest update link, download it. It's going to bring you to a Google Doc. Go ahead, paste any of these links in your browser. From there, click on download, and once you click on download, go ahead and make sure to download any ISO burner tool that's going to allow you to boot the ISO installation file that is present in your PC. And once you have done all of that, this will allow Ghost Spectre to be downloaded on your PC in the easiest and most simplest way. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. And obviously, if you want to get Ghost Spectre for yourself, this is how you're going to be doing it. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want others to see this video, please do make sure to share it around, because it truly helps me out a lot. And also, do let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this in the future, where I explain different bootables and benchmarkers to you. But for the foreseeable future, that is pretty much it for this video. I'll be seeing all of you next time, and I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.